Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily go offline on your Xbox Series X. So maybe you don't want to have your friends bothering you or whatever, or maybe you want to just play a game offline. And to disconnect is very easy. Let's go to Settings, go to General, then go to Network Settings. And then there's an option literally to go offline right here. So if we select this, we can now play our games offline, just like that. And then we have the option to go back online at any point in time right here. But it says your Xbox console is offline. When you go back online, you may have to set up your network again and download a system update. So ignore all that. So sometimes I just do this to kind of just refresh some things that are being bugged or annoying on Xbox Live. So just going offline and then quickly connecting again is an easy way to refresh some of those messages or invites that you don't get. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.